In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Start by launching Settings and scrolling to tap on this section called Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll again, this time to tap on one-handed mode, and use this switcher to turn it on. Unfortunately, if you are using Tricky's navigation, you won't be able to use one-handed mode on your Realme. It's only accessible if you are using gestures. So if you want to switch now, hit Settings in the pop-up and tap on Gestures. Then choose Learn or Cancel. Go back and use the same switcher. This time it will turn blue. Now, with one-handed mode on, just follow those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. And as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. Now, to go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. And in case you wanna go back to Tricky's navigation, go back to the main section of your settings, scroll to choose System and Update, then select some System Navigation, and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!